Alright guys, so it is 90 degrees out and it is May 2nd, 2022. And it is about 6 o'clock in the evening. And the Goodman's on in cooling mode. I did not have time to set up a tripod and everything to do a first startup, so I'll do the unofficial first startup in the near future. And here it is running in cooling mode. So you would think a month or so ago it was still in heating mode. And it's not making any water yet. I think there's still water left in there from where I filled it. Energy guide stick is faded. But it seems a lot quieter in cooling mode than it does in heating mode, I guess because the pressures are a lot lower in cooling than heating. And it is throwing out some really hot air, so it is kind of warm in the house. So I figured I'd do this quick little video. I will do a startup, shutdown, like I said, in the very near future. Yeah. Anyways, I'm going to go back in and enjoy a nice cold house because I work in a place where I do have air conditioning, but I don't turn it on unless it's absolutely necessary. Anyways, see you on the next video. Over and out.